Welcome back friends. Welcome back in another video tutorial from microbiology with Shagni. So in this video tutorial we will going to start a new part of our carbohydrate metabolism, that is anaerobic respiration. So it all starts after the ending of glycolysis. So we all know what is the end product of glycolysis, that is the pyruvate, right? Now is pyruvate have several fate depending upon whether oxygen is present or not. If oxygen is present, what will happen we all know, that this pyruvate will be converted into acetyl CoA with the help of a complex called pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. We have already done a separate video on that. Then via Krebs cycle it will produce ATP, and then from that Krebs cycle it will enter in the ETC, right? That is the very common to us. So this is aerobic respiration, and this is not today's point of topic. And in absence of oxygen there is two kind of things that can happen. One is fermentation, another one is anaerobic respiration. Now you may ask, what is the difference between fermentation and anaerobic respiration? So anaerobic respiration use anything except oxygen as the terminal electron acceptor. It may use sulfate, it may use fumarate, it may use nitrate. But in case of fermentation, it is a very self-contained process. It only use endogenous organic molecule as a electron acceptor. It will not allow any kind of outside electron acceptor. Okay. Another important thing, in fermentation there is no presence of any kind of electron transport system, as well as it will not produce ATP via oxidative phosphorylation type of things. Okay. Now in fermentation actually what is happening, that we all know that in glycolysis NAD plus is converted into what? NADH, right? And in fermentation this NADH will be oxidized again and converted back into NAD plus, and the electron that NADH releases will be transferred to organic molecule. Okay, and that is how several type of things can be formed from pyruvate during fermentation. For example, lactate can be formed. If lactate is formed during fermentation, we will call it lactic acid fermentation. If ethanol is formed, we will call it alcoholic fermentation. If propionic acid form, butyric acid may also form. Okay, so that is the idea of basic fermentation. Okay, so we will do our next video lecture on lactic acid fermentation, where we will also going to talk about the concept of Cori cycle. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you.